Hello and welcome. The project you see on this screen is a four-way traffic light control system. We have an intersection where there are cars coming from the west side, as you can see, west side traffic light, and they are going to the eastern side, and there are some coming from the eastern side going to the western side, as the arrows indicates. And there are other cars that are moving from the southern side going up, and there are others moving from the northern side to the southern side. So as the arrows indicates, every side has a traffic light. The southern side has these traffic lights that controls the cars moving up this lane. These traffic lights in the northern side controls the cars moving towards the southern side. That's this lane. These traffic lights control the western side, and these traffic lights control the eastern side. So the sequence of this project, let me explain it in a Word document. I've prepared a Word document. The northern and the southern side, and there is the eastern and the western side. So when the northern side and the southern side is red, the eastern and the western side is green. So when we see in this cadre, when the northern and southern side is red, so the northern, this one is red, and the southern side is red, then this side will be green, the eastern side will be green, it will be telling these cars to go, and the western side traffic light will also be green, and it will be telling these cars to go in this direction. And this will go on for 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, we shall have a bridge. Basically, both sides will be yellow, so it will be telling all the sides to get ready. So after that, these yellow lights in all the traffic lights would go on, indicating that those that were moving should start to stop, and those that were not moving should get ready to move. So the next sequence is, it will just interchange. The north and southern side will now see green lights, so these guys will start moving up and others down, basically. So this side will be indicating green, this side green, this side will be indicating red, telling these cars to stop. In both sides, the eastern side and the western side will be stopped, and this one will be moving. Then it will go to another yellow before starting the sequence all over again. So it will go for yellow for 10 seconds, and after that the sequence will repeat. This one is just an indication, but this one is, you can set the values. So as you can see, it's an input, so you can manipulate the values from this side, but this side is just an indication. As you can see, you cannot do anything. We have also other 3 pages, and for us to access it, we need to be logged in. So we shall just log in, and now as you can see, we are in as the administrator, and we can now operate this project. But before that, we can just go to the trends page. This one basically would show us the timers, the way they are timing. We have the admin page. In the admin page, you can access things like the calculator. You can also manage the users. You can add user. And as you can see, we have a user here, the one we just created, and he can also delete. As you can see, the user has been deleted. This page cannot be accessed by anyone. If we are logged in as an engineer or as an operator, we don't have access to do all that stuff here. We have a status page. If maybe you're overwhelmed by this page, you can just come to status page and view everything. So there is the green lights, northern side, southern side. So you'll find that these two will be on at some point. And when these two are on, you'll find that the eastern side and the western side red light will be on. So it just interchanges between these two. And when switching the sides, you'll find that the yellow lights will come on for 10 seconds. This one will run for 15 seconds. So we are going to start this system now. We shall see how it behaves. So you can start the system now. And as you can see, these cars are stopped. They cannot move. But this one, as you can see, there is a green blink. So it shows that these cars can move, As you can see, it's green light. So there is the yellow light for 10 seconds. This is the first phase. So it will run for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, then you see that now these cars can move. the ones going up and down, and the one going from side to side, they are stopped. So these cars can only move for another 15 seconds. After that, the yellow light comes on, 10 seconds to tell all the cars to get ready to move. After 10 seconds, you see, again, the cars in the eastern side and the western side can move. This traffic light is green and this is green. The rest are red. So the next will be a yellow light to act as a bridge. Yeah, so all the cars now, the ones that were moving are being told to get ready to stop. The ones that were stopped to get ready to move. So you can just take up your time to view the sequence. We can also increase the time if we want. Maybe you want 20,000, which is the same as 20 seconds. In the status page, you can just also view what's happening. Like now, the green light is on. You see the red light is on this side. As you can see, the cars in the eastern side and western side are now moving, and the cars in the northern side and southern side are stopped, so they can't move. After that, the yellow lights come on. That's all about this project. The project was created in Tier Portal. The SCADA side was created by WinCC Explore version 8.0. The code for this project will be posted, and you can go and check on them. Thank you for watching.